These are the MOSFETs IRFP 150 N channel and the Cermet potentiometers which I had taken out by desoldering from my VU2EVQ linear board, thinking that they have been damaged. This is IRFP 150 N channel MOSFET used in VU2EVQ linear amplifier. The pinout is, this is a gate, this is drain where the output goes, and this is the source where you connect the power supply also. Now we will see how to check it. The gate of the MOSFET is almost like a capacitor, and you have to discharge it by connecting all the three leads together, shorting. I'm just shorting the electrodes. So I hope that it is discharged. The red probe has been connected to the source pin of the IRFP, and when I touch the black probe here into the drain, there is no voltage, there is no flow seen. And if I touch momentarily on this, that is the gate gets charged. And now if I touch the drain, you can see that the MOSFET has been switched on. You can remove the charge just by touching between the two electrodes or pins by your finger, and after that if you touch here, there is no conduction. And again you go and touch this momentarily, that gets charged and there is conduction. And again by your finger you are discharging that capacitor, and you test here again, there is no conduction. Again I am charging and again testing. This is the conduction switching on of the MOSFET. I am repeating the test with the MOSFET which I have taken out from the VU2EVQ linear amplifier, which I thought the MOSFET has gone bad. I am testing, there is no conduction. I am touching here, and then the conduction is there. Then I am going to discharge the capacitor, and then there is no conduction. Again charging, there is conduction. So this MOSFET has not been damaged. It is some other problem in the circuit. I am going to test the next MOSFET. I have taken out both MOSFETs. This is the second MOSFET. The first MOSFET is here. Second one is this. I am testing. There is no current here. And I am charging here. Testing. Again I am going to discharge again. With my finger I am discharging that capacitor between gate and drain. So the MOSFET has got switched off, and again I am just touching here to charge the capacitor. Back again, it is switched on. So my assumption that the MOSFETs have gone bad or damaged is not true. I had taken out both MOSFETs as well as the Cermet potentiometers. In the process I damaged one Cermet potentiometer. So the deduction was not correct. It is not the MOSFETs which have gone bad. Now I'll have to find out why it is drawing so much current. Even after disconnecting all these, the board is still drawing significant current above 250 milliamperes. I don't know the upper limit because in this device I can test only up to 250 milliamperes. It's an analog meter. So I am back to square one. Now I'll have to see whether during some procedure some part of the board has got shorted. Otherwise, if the MOSFET had gone bad, that would not have been like this. I have tested the MOSFET. The MOSFETs are good, and the board is still showing that high current. So there is some short in the board.